Talofa lava. My name is Javon, and welcome to our campus here in Petone. Open Day is your chance to see everything that is on offer and get a taste of student life. Come along and check it out. Are you a natural problem solver? We have a huge range of programs to choose from. Get a taste of engineering, architectural technology, quantity surveying. Or if hands-on learning is more your style, check out these programs. Construction trades, automotive trades, mechanical engineering trades. Ready to open up a world of opportunities? Get qualified in business, information technology, hairdressing, and heaps more. No matter what you're into, a friendly team are here to find the right study option for you. There are heaps more programs on offer, including health and social services, performing arts, design, film, music, hospitality, and more. Come on down to Petone Open Day on Wednesday the 17th of August. Register now and go into the draw to win a MacBook Air. See you there.